A real estate business grows when there is a clear plan, strong trust, consistent marketing, good service, disciplined money management, and systems that help the business run properly. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Now, let us go straight into the steps to grow a real estate business. Step 1. Develop a clear real estate business plan. The first step to growing a real estate business is to create a clear business plan. This plan is your map. It shows you where you are going, who you want to serve, what kind of properties you want to focus on, and how the business will make money. Many real estate entrepreneurs struggle because they are trying to do everything at once. Today they are selling land, tomorrow they are renting apartments, next week they are chasing commercial properties, and later they want to become developers. That can create confusion. A clear plan helps you choose your direction. Your business plan should include your target market, your niche, your competitors, your marketing strategy, your daily operations, your expenses, your revenue goals, and your risks. It should answer simple questions. Who are your customers? What problem are you solving for them? How will they find you? How much money do you need to run the business? How many deals do you need to close to stay profitable? Once your plan is clear, your next job is to make the business look serious and trustworthy. Step 2. Register your business and build credibility. Real estate is a trust business. People are dealing with land, homes, offices, rent, investments, and large amounts of money. They need to know that your business is real, professional, and safe to work with. Start by registering your business properly. In Nigeria, that means registering with the Corporate Affairs Commission. Depending on the type of real estate business you run, you may also need relevant licenses, certifications, permits, tax registration, and professional memberships. This matters because credibility helps clients feel safer. When people see that your business is registered, organized, and compliant, they are more likely to listen to you and trust your advice. But registration alone is not enough. You must also be honest in your communication. Be clear about property prices, documents, fees, timelines, and risks. Do not hide information just to close a deal. In real estate, one dishonest transaction can damage your name for years. When people trust you, they refer others to you. That trust becomes one of your strongest growth tools. Step 3. Choose a clear niche and position your brand. After credibility, the next step is positioning. Positioning simply means helping people understand what your real estate business is known for. You should not just say, "I do real estate." That is too broad. Be more specific. Do you help families buy homes? Do you manage rental properties for landlords? Do you help investors buy land? Do you focus on commercial spaces, luxury homes, shortlets, or property development? When your niche is clear, your marketing becomes easier. your message becomes stronger. People know when to call you and who to refer to you. For example, if you are known for helping young families find affordable homes in a growing city, your content, website, adverts, and partnerships should all speak to that audience. If you are known for property management, your message should speak to landlords who want peace of mind. A clear niche does not mean you can never expand. It simply means you are giving the market something easy to remember first. Once the business becomes strong, you can add more services carefully. Step 4. Build a strong online presence. The next step is to make sure people can find you online. Today, many clients will search for your business before they call you. They will check your website, social media pages, reviews, content, and property listings. Your website should work like your online office. It should show who you are, what you do, where you operate, the properties you have, client testimonials, and how people can contact you. It should be simple, clear, and easy to use on a phone. Social media should also be used properly. Do not only post property pictures. Teach people. Explain how to inspect a property. Explain common mistakes buyers make. Explain what tenants should check before paying rent. Explain how landlords can manage property better. This kind of content builds trust. You should also use search engine optimization so people can find you when they search online. If someone searches for houses for sale, land for sale, property manager, or offers space in your location, your business should have a chance to appear. Visibility brings attention. But attention must be turned into leads. Step 5. Create a marketing system that brings leads consistently. A real estate business needs consistent marketing. Do not market only when business is slow. If you stop marketing when you are busy, you may struggle again when current deals end. Your marketing system should include content, email marketing, referrals, paid advertising, video marketing, and follow-up. Each part should have a purpose. Email marketing helps you stay in touch with people who are interested but not ready to buy yet. You can send property updates, market insights, investment opportunities, and helpful tips. When they are ready, they are more likely to remember you. Video marketing is very powerful in real estate because people want to see what they are buying or renting. Use videos for property tours, neighborhood reviews, investment explanations, and market updates. Paid adverts can also help, but they must be used wisely. Know who you are targeting, what you are offering, and how you will follow up. Marketing is not just about getting attention. It is about turning attention into conversations and conversations into clients. Step 6. Build strategic relationships and partnerships. Real estate grows through relationships. You need more than buyers and sellers. You need lawyers, surveyors, valuers, mortgage brokers, bankers, developers, town planners, builders, landlords, investors, and other agents. These relationships can bring referrals, partnerships, advice, and access to opportunities you may not find alone. For example, a lawyer may refer a client who needs help buying property. A mortgage broker may connect you with a buyer who needs financing. Another agent may have a buyer for a property you are marketing. Attend real estate events, business meetings, property expos, and professional gatherings. But do not just collect contacts. Build real relationships. Follow up. Share useful information. Look for ways to be helpful. You should also join relevant associations and industry groups. This helps you stay informed, build credibility, and meet serious people in the industry. Strong relationships can reduce your marketing costs because more opportunities begin to come through trust and referrals. Step 7. Offer excellent customer service. Customer service is one of the easiest ways to grow a real estate business, but many people ignore it. Clients remember how you treat them. They remember if you answer calls. They remember if you explain things clearly. They remember if you arrive on time. They remember if you follow up. They also remember if you abandon them after collecting your commission. Good service begins with listening. Do not assume every client wants the same thing. One person may care about price. Another may care about location. Another may care about security, schools, road access, rental income, or future value. Be transparent. Tell clients what they need to know, not only what they want to hear. If there are risks, explain them. If documents need to be verified, say so. If a property is not right for their goal, guide them properly. After each transaction, stay in touch. Send useful updates. Ask if they need support. A happy client can become a repeat client, and a repeat client can become a source of referrals. Step 8. Hire and train the right team. As your business grows, you will not be able to do everything alone. You may need agents, marketers, admin staff, customer support, accountants, operations people, or legal support. The people you bring into your business matter because they represent your name. In real estate, one careless team member can damage trust. So hire people who understand communication, honesty, discipline, and service. Training is also important. Do not assume people will automatically know how your business should operate. Train your team on property knowledge, negotiation, documentation, client service, follow-up, ethics, and your company standards. You should also create simple processes for how work is done. How are leads recorded? How are inspections scheduled? How are documents checked? How are clients updated? How are complaints handled? Systems help your team work properly even when you are not watching every minute. A trained team and clear processes make growth easier to manage. Step 9. Use technology to work faster and serve better. Technology can help your real estate business become more organized and efficient. A customer relationship management tool can help you track leads, client conversations, inspection dates, follow-ups, and property interests. Without a system, important leads can be forgotten. With a system, you know who to call, what they need, and when to follow up. You can also use automation tools for appointment booking, reminders, email updates, and basic client communication. This saves time and helps the business look more professional. Virtual tours and 3D images can also help you serve clients who are far away or too busy to visit immediately. This is especially useful for remote buyers, investors, and people in the diaspora. Technology should not replace human connection. It should support it. Real estate is still a people business, so use tools to become faster, clearer, and more reliable. Step 10. Manage cash flow and secure funding wisely. A real estate business can look busy and still be struggling if cash flow is poor. Cash flow means the money coming into the business and the money going out. You must track income, commissions, advert costs, transport costs, staff salaries, office expenses, subscriptions, professional fees, and every other business expense. When you understand your numbers, you can make better decisions. You will know which marketing channels are working, which costs are too high, and how many deals you need to close to remain healthy. As the business grows, you may need funding for expansion. This can come through bank loans, investor partnerships, crowdfunding, or joint ventures. But do not accept funding without understanding the terms. Bad funding can create pressure and damage the business. Also build a reserve fund. Real estate deals can delay. Clients can change their minds. Markets can slow down. Emergency money gives the business breathing space when things do not go as planned. Step 11. Diversify your real estate income streams. A strong real estate business should not depend on only one source of income. If you only earn from sales commissions, the business may struggle when sales slow down. Over time, look for additional income streams that fit your expertise and market. You can offer property management services to landlords who need help with tenants, rent collection, repairs, inspections, and legal compliance. This can create more steady income. You can invest in rental properties if the numbers make sense. You can explore short-term rentals, long-term rentals, commercial leasing, or partnerships. You can also offer training, mentorship, webinars, or consulting if you have enough experience to teach others. The key is to diversify carefully. Do not add too many things at once. Add income streams that support your existing business and make it stronger, not more confusing. Step 12. Expand strategically and manage risk. Growth should be planned, not rushed. Once your business becomes stable, you can begin to explore new markets, new locations, and new property types. Study emerging areas carefully. Look at roads, schools, offices, population growth, infrastructure, businesses, and demand. When an area is growing, property opportunities may grow with it. You can also expand into commercial real estate, luxury property, short lets, property development, or international opportunities. But each move should be supported by research, numbers, legal advice, and market demand. Risk management is very important. Stay updated on market trends, housing demand, rent prices, construction costs, interest rates, government policies, and buyer behavior. Use proper contracts. Verify ownership. Check documents. Follow tax rules, zoning laws, and property regulations. Do not rush a deal because it looks attractive. In real estate, a deal that looks sweet but has bad documents can become a serious problem. The simple lesson is this: know who you serve. Build trust. Show up consistently. Treat people well. Track your money. Use systems. Keep learning. Grow carefully. If you want to read the full guide, visit entrepreneurs.ng, https://entrepreneurs.ng/grow-a-real-estate-business/. You will find the detailed article and more resources to help you build properly. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. We are rooting for you.